All right, guys. Y'all say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera. Hi, camera.
Tell them your names.
I'm JT.
And
I'm Thaxton.
JT and Thaxton. And how old are y'all? JT, how old are you?
I'm 2.
You're 2 with your 2 middle fingers?
That's 32 inches.
Take your pencil and write along the. Move this hand out of the way.
I can do it.
Right, draw a line right there against that.
Hey, Daddy, look at my birdhouse.
There you go.
Hey, Daddy, look at my birdhouse. 84.
Now, see, this one is almost 8 inches. We're going to do this one 10. I have a little slope to it. Alright, make me a line right there.
Daddy. Oh, Daddy, it's my turn.
Hey, we're going to make a little overhang on the front. Daddy's got to cut some angles on this. Yes, ma'am.
I wish it was that thing. Actually, can you hear me? No. Can we put the glue on? This is my mom, Daddy.
It is.
Yes.
You see what we're doing, bud?
Look, I got a mom.
You do.
Now can we put the glue on?
Almost.
It's not stop cutting.
Oh, we got it.
I don't take it off. I want it.
Yeah, we take turns. We're making him a house.
Birdie, we're making your house.
But just a little drop right here, Thax. I'm gonna let you do some. Stay in the line. That's good. That's good. All right, just take your finger. Rub it between the holes. All right, squeeze it between the lines, Thax. There you go. All right, now take your finger and let Thaxton rub that side. Rub it right here. Rub it right in there. Okay. Try to stay between the lines now. Here, you see. Alright, thank you, buddy. Okay, right there. That's good. Put it right here. Put some right here. There you go. Spread it around. I'm going to put some down here too. Okay, there you go. Just follow my finger. There you go. Show me how you ease it like I told you. There you go.
See, Daddy? See? I feel outside. Hey, Daddy, see? See, Daddy? See, Daddy? We're going to check the birdie out and you build the birdhouse.
Go ahead and finish it. You're not ready to go. Come here. Y'all come here. Let me get y'all's picture. Get over there. Come here, Thaxton. Hey, will you hold Sam? Come here. No, let him on the ground. Let them sit on the ground. Now look at me, smile.
He doesn't like that grass. Sam!